Thank you so much for being there. Thank you, Aarti, and thank you, Chintan. So, all three speakers of the day. And let's begin with understanding why this forum is there. What is this for? And why did it begin? So, it's 9:30 at night. And one day when I was just sitting like this, I get a call. And this was around the time when the lockdown had first started, where a young fellow called me up because he was having palpitations and he had lost meaning of his life. And I'd done a lot of work till then, but I'd never connected with people like this. So I thought to myself, how do we put him in a good place? And he wasn't able to afford my charges for the one-to-one consult. And then it struck me that I was also not feeling okay. There were many other people who were not feeling okay. So I called up the girl who helps me out. Her name is Sarso, and I said, Sarso, please put up a Zoom call and make sure that you can organize at least the Meta Health group to come online and then to be with us so that we can keep them in a good place. I remember the first group that happened, I was tapping for them and saying, how can we deal with the fear that we have in our system? And then I don't know how it just continued. From there, it would trip every 40 minutes because we hadn't even subscribed or bought Zoom. And then accidentally, we learned how to do recording. Accidentally, everything happened. And in these accidents, we created something that was amazing. We have completed 200 sessions um, 2 days back. And now we begin with 200 plus. And this is actually not 200. We are going to be, Binay for herself has completed 91 sessions of Kauri reading or card reading, and which is itself is commendable. Now, can you imagine that something that we didn't even know had any life, something that had a shelf life of 40 minutes and would trip every 40 minutes, we created something out of it. And so what did we create? We created love, we created affection, we created friendship, we created an adda, a place where people could come and talk. And often people ask me, meta health means meta health. Everything that you're learning today is meta. Meta means above, whatever you don't know. So you don't know so many things which are impacting your health. And I thought to myself, this is the first time that I've ever got to connect with people like this, because in our busy schedules, I did not have time for anyone. I only had time, very honestly, for doing my workshops, which were EFT, Meta Health, color workshops, and it was like a rut, or in between, it was more like meeting my clients. But I never asked anybody who you are. I asked them what their talent was. Who are these people who are there in my life? I remembered them from the diseases that they had, and I remembered them from the problems that they had. In these 5.5 months, everything changed for me. I don't know you anymore from the disease that you have, because all of us are running away from one disease, that is COVID-19. But I started connecting with each and every one of you to know who you are, how you are, how's your life today, are you in a better place? And I cannot thank Chintan, Aarti, Vinayfar, and so many other speakers from across the world. So let me count the number of continents and places that we actually picked up. We had Australia, USA, Denmark, Finland, Jakarta, Thailand, you name it, Estonia, you name it, and we had people from these places. And sometimes more than one speaker from another place. I am deeply in gratitude to each and every one of you for being here. And more than anybody else, these forums run for my mom. She's here every evening. I'm karmically feeling as if I'm clearing something hugely with her. And this was my inner desire that my mom sees me. I feel seen, I feel heard, and I feel felt, and I feel loved. So thank you so much, everybody. This is not tiresome from me. This is not work for me. And often people say, oh God, you must be tired of doing this. No, I had never got tired doing this. I, at times, am not in mood of doing certain things, but this is never on the top of the list that I don't want to do. It's never been a worry to find a speaker because they walked in themselves. It's never been a worry whether you will be there or not there. I never marketed it other than putting it wherever it was going. Everyday show was running. And when people ask me who is helping you, God is there, He is helping me. Universe is helping me. You all are helping me. And I love doing what I'm doing for you all. So please be in receiving and accept what I have to give you today. Because when you receive well, I feel loved. Thank you so much. Vinay, for over to you. If you could do Kauri reading for Aarti first and then for Chintan. Thank you. And if any one of you want the Kauri reading to be done, please, please, please put your hand up.
Hi, Aarti. Any question? I know no question. Okay. So, Aarti, for you today, it is happening. So, just receive that. Things could be a little blocked right now because of that, but very soon it's going to open up pretty well. So, just be in that receiving mode and it's going to be great. Thank you.
Wonderful. If you could do Kauri reading for Chintan.
Yes.
Chintan, do you have any question?
Not quite, but hi. Yeah.
Good to see you after
Yes, I
a
know.
long time.
Yes, yes, yes. So I'm open to whatever you have as a reading. I don't have a question, but yes, let the universe say what it has to.
Sure. So for you, it's very specific on the slot of wisdom, of money, and of mantras. So flow with that, and this flow with the mantra is going to bring you a lot of wisdom, and with that, it's going to bring you a lot of abundance.
Thank
It's
you.
just like waiting to happen. Few blocks on the way, but intuitively you know what is to be done when is it's to be done. So use that inner wisdom of yours to go ahead with this because a
Sure.
lot is waiting to be revealed to you. So enjoy
Absolutely.
that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Somebody's audio is not muted, so
Yeah.
please make sure that you're muted. Okay. I think Mehul wants reading to be done for him. Could you please do reading for Mehul?
So, any questions?
Mehul, you have any questions? Somebody's audio is not muted here.
Yeah. Mr. Mehul, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. So sorry. Okay. Well, there are so many questions, but I would still rather go the way Chintan and Aarti have gone, and let's just see what the universe has to say.
All right.
Wonderful.
I think Nalin Makani needs to be muted.
Please, can everybody mute themselves? I'm just going to mute everybody.
And then unmute.
Then you will unmute yourself, including Binny. Binny, just unmute yourself.
Okay. So for you, Mr. Mehul, I am getting a lot of receiving. So be open to receiving. Don't shy out from that. Whatever it is, whether it is money, whether it is receiving compliments, whether it is receiving help in any sort of way. So be open to receiving that because with that
Unmute yourself, please again.
and so with that receiving comes in money, And there is also a spiritual path waiting for you to be unfolded. So be on that path and do whatever you like to do. It's not necessary that you have to do any particular thing which is very common or very in right now, but just be with yourself, and whatever you feel attracted to, go with that modality and do it for yourself. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Anupam Tiwari wants a reading.
Yes.
Welcome, Anupam.
Hello, Mr. Anupam. कैसे हैं?
बढ़िया.
Yes. Any questions?
नहीं, specifically जो message है, whatever the universe has to give.
Okay.
Let it be open-ended.
Whoever wants a reading, please put it in the chat so that I can. And the special request, can everybody of you mute yourself, please? Binaifa, you'll have to unmute again. I've muted everybody again.
So, Anupam ji, आपके लिए I have got the Kauris on wisdom and on wealth. तो आपको भी you have to go with the flow where you feel that okay, अगर मैं spirituality में जाऊँ तो family तो नहीं affect होगा, but you have to, that balance will be there. So don't worry, along with family, your meditations, your spirituality can go along, and that can also bring you a certain amount of wisdom and also so let that be a flow. But first start, as I know you already do a lot of modalities, so just go with the flow and then just expand yourself. और money के लिए भी काफी openings है अभी, so just be open to receiving that. Thank you.
Thanks.
Wonderful. We have Ranjini who wants a reading.
Any questions?
No, general reading.
Okay. Ranjini, you might be feeling very lost right now in a few things, maybe not knowing what to do with yourself, and a lot of emotions coming up. So just try and be as positive as you can right now, and just do things that make you happy, whatever it is, whether it's drawing, painting, singing, dancing, anything that makes you happy, do that. And that it's going to create a shift where something good is going to happen with you related to the family. So could be some starting something new, or receiving some new person in your family. So something new is coming up for you and the family. So enjoy that. Thank you.
Wonderful. We have Jaya Singhi. Could you do reading for her, please? Thank you.
So, any questions?
No questions. Just general. Thank you.
Chintan, today's Facebook refuses. I'm still trying.
Jaya, for you, I have got, you need to learn how to protect yourself. Somewhere you're not allowing that. Somewhere you're not allowing yourself to flow within, to accept a lot of things about yourself and about your family. So please be open and accept whatever situations there are. Things may not seem as bad as they look. So just try and change your perspective, and a lot of clarity will come your way. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. We have Neetu asking for reading.
Any
Thanks,
questions?
This is regarding career.
Okay.
Welcome, Neetu.
Hi.
Hi.
Like I am in a dilemma. Like I'm a healer as well as an artist. So I want to pursue both, but at sometime I just want a reading. Like it's just that.
Okay.
Even the Kauris are in a dilemma with you. And they say that your path lies in wisdom. So choose wisely and first be focused on yourself. How much are you willing to give to yourself? Focus on that. Work with mantras, anything that is close to you. Work with that, and you are going to see wonderful results. That is going to open pathways for you.
Okay, thank you. You solved my dilemma. Thanks for that.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Viraj. He wants a reading, whatever universe is saying for him.
Okay. Okay, so I think today most of them are getting the mantras and the wisdom. It's just going there. It's one of those days, where we had got inner happiness. So today is the day for mantras. So you need to work with mantras. You need to protect yourself quite a bit. A lot of frustration around yourself, around your family. So to let go of that, you need to just do some chanting, whatever you feel comfortable, and that's your way out of this situation. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have Pankita Shah, general reading for Pankita Shah.
Sure.
Hello.
Hello, Pankita.
So, Pankita, for you, what I've got is a spiritual journey that is waiting to unfold. So, you should go and do something spiritual. If you are already in that field, try to advance yourself by doing something basically just for self help, for self advancement. Do that. Change your perspective about quite a few things. Maybe if you feel that you are attracted to a certain modality, but some misconceptions are keeping you away from it, so try and research more, google more about it, and find out and go ahead with your intuition. Family will manage itself, and there will be smooth road ahead for you once you just let go of that inhibition. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful. We have Yogesh, who is wanting cosmic message.
Okay. Okay, so for you, Yogesh, the message is that things are going to get really good for you right now. You're moving into a very bright phase in your life, and just try and change your perspective about a few things. Once you do, there's a lot of money coming your way. So accept that, receive that, and just enjoy yourself. Thank you.
Thank you. We have Amita Tokas for her general reading. Welcome, Amita. I'm seeing you after ages.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Doing well, doing very well.
Amita, you're right now in a phase where a lot of, I think, frustration, and you don't know what to think right now. So just open yourself up a little bit. Just take some fresh air and try to do things that are making you happy, because you really need to unwind. You've just, I think, gone into a shell right now, and you need to come out of that. Do whatever makes you happy. Listen to some chants, maybe if you don't feel like chanting it yourself. Put it on YouTube and listen to something that you like, and things will improve. There is brightness. Just hang in there. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to mute again. There is one more person who's asking, and I got confused because his name is so similar to Chintan. It's Chintan Doshi. Chintan Doshi is asking about his future.
Okay.
You'll have to unmute yourself, Binaifa.
Okay, so Chintan, for you, what I'm getting is a lot of money coming your way, but before that, there are some hurdles which you need to overcome. So just you're getting some messages, you're getting something that you need to do. So follow that and become aware of whatever is around you, how you can overcome that. And family also try and relate to them a little bit more, try and understand what's happening there. And this bonding with your family is going to bring about a lot of changes in your life. Thank you.
Can I make a special request to each and every one of you? Can you be responsible enough?
Sorry, was I heard? Sorry.
Yourself? There is Ranjini Nair. I've already asked question for you. Do you want me to ask another question for you?
Did you hear Chintan Doshi's message here?
Okay, I don't know who is Galaxy S9, but a question for her or him. Could you please unmute yourself and ask your question? Thank you.
Hi, just a general thing if I come to know.
Thank you. General reading.
So you need to work on receiving, because a lot is coming your way. You just need to keep yourself open for that. So there is a blend between inner happiness, money, and receiving. So once you accept that it's okay to receive, and it's okay to receive a lot, whether it is money, whether it is compliments, whether it is help, even a small help coming your way, be open to receiving that, and things will change for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. So could you do a reading for the whole group so everybody benefits? Thank you.
So I have got that quite a few of us are struggling a lot with spirituality, struggling about what to do, what not to do. So just go with your intuition, and all of us know now that who are well known in their fields. So go to people who are professionals and take their help instead of just struggling with yourselves and not getting ahead with anything. So do that and be with family, pay attention to family, because we need to stay together, we need to stay strong. Thank you.
I love the way Binaifa says we need to stay together. We need to stay strong. Absolutely. So thank you so much, Bini. Let's go to the speaker of the day, and that's Aarti. So Aarti Desai, could you